Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to file zero income tax return online. So the very first thing, you need to select a reputable online tax filing service such as TurboTax or HNR. Here just go to Google and look for HNR block, or there are some other, for example IRS free file. So let me show you how to get it. Just go to the IRS official website. You can just type here on the Google, and here you can just type here free file and hit the enter button on the search bar, and here you can see free file to your federal taxes for free. After that, you have to create a new account. So you can see your, first of all, you have to click on explore free guide of the tax software. So just click on it. It will give you some of the information and tutorial, right? So you have to make an account on the IRS. So once you're here in the IRS, you have to log in into your account. You can see here there's the option of sign in into your account. If you have already made your account, then it's great. Choose your option and go forward. Then after that, they will ask you your personal information such as your social security number and TIN, right? Taxpayer identification number. And then you have to move to the income section of the tax return. And once you're there, look for the section where you report income, enter zero as a total income for the year. Some platform may have specific option or prompt for the zero income figures. Double check all this information depending on your circumstances. For example, eligibility for credit or deduction. Ensure you have reviewed all sections of the tax return for the completeness, right? After that, it will ask you to verify your e-file. You have to fill up your e-file through online platform, whichever online platform you're using, and then you have to make sure you just have your copy, and after confirmation it's done. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.